Alright guys, today we use the property of similar plane to determine the missing sides and the scale factor. So right here, I set up a proportion, and right here I went for 10. Went 10 to over 16 equals 19, and this was x. Alright, so I simplified 10 over 16 and got 5/8 times 19 over x. So I did 19 times 8 gives me 152, and 5 times x gives me 5x. I divide both sides, and x equals 30.4. If I know this side's 10 and this side's 16, then I know that this side's 10, this side has to be 16. So my scale factor is 5/8. And also prove that that's my scale factor. Say if I was going to look for this 16, we do 10 over x equals 5/8. 10 times 8 is 80. 5 times x is 5x. Divide by 5. X equals 16. Alright, so that's one way to do if you're going to cross multiply with a scale factor. Now, if I just want to use reverse simplification or just multiply to find the scale factor, I know that EFD here, EFD here is 5/8 the time of the size of BCA. So if I want to go from the smaller triangle to the bigger triangle, I can't multiply with a fraction. I can multiply by improper fraction because this is going to make it larger. So if I just wanted to multiply and just do 10, just like I did over here, if I want to do 10 times, I want to make it bigger, I have to use this fraction, 8/5. This is going to give me the same answer of 16. Alright, notice right here we found the perimeter. We add up all the sides of EFD, the triangle, or DEF. So the perimeter of triangle DEF is 39, and the perimeter of triangle ABC is going to be 62.4. And if I simplify 39 over 62.4, I get 5/8. And if you notice that the scale factor of the perimeter and the scale factor of the side lengths are the same. Alright. Also, if I want to go find the perimeter from the larger triangle to the smaller triangle, multiply by 5/8, because the smaller triangle is 5/8 the size of the larger triangle. Triangle ABC is larger than triangle DEF. If I want to go from DEF, which is a smaller triangle, multiply 39 times 8/5 to find the perimeter of the larger triangle, if you're not going to use proportions. Now, if I use proportions, I'd set it up differently. If I want to find the perimeter of the other one, I'd use 62.4 equals 8/5. Alright, if I wanted to find from the large to the smaller one. Alright, if I wanted to set my proportion for 39, I do 39 equals 5/8, because I'd be using that to find my perimeter, just like we did. Alright, just like in this one, that tells us that the perimeter of ABC is 24. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle LMN, and the scale factor of ABC to LMN is 2/3, that tells me that ABC here is 2/3 the size of LMN. So if I want to set up a proportion just like we did right here, then I'll say 24 over the perimeter equals 2/3. So I can cross multiply. I get 2p equals 72. Divide by 2, get 36. Also, if I wanted to multiply, I know that ABC is 2/3 the size. So if I want to get to a larger triangle, I'm going to multiply 24 here times 3/2, and I can get 36 as well. right here, if I want to go right here, I did reverse simplification to show you one way you could do it. If I do 3 over 8 equals h over 24, I multiply by 3 because I use reverse simplification here. Now I could cross multiply, and I get the correct answer, which is 8 equals 9. Alright, also here, so I also set it up with 8 over 24 right here equals 3 over h. Alright, simplify 8 over 24 to 1/3 equals 3 over h. Cross multiply, and h still equals 9 here. Now, the scale factor is 1 over 3 because I'm going from A, B, C here to F, E, G. Because I know the A, B, C is 1/3 the size of F, E, G. Alright, also you look right here, we're going to find the area of the pre-image and the image. Let's find the area of the pre-image here. Alright. And I find I do 1/2 8. 1/2 the base times half is 8 times 3, which is 24. Half of 24 is 12 units squared. Alright. And I do the image here. And so I get 1/2 24 times 9. Area equals 1/2 216. And 108 units. Now we knew on the last one that ABC was 1/3 the size of, on the last one up here, we knew that ABC was 1/3 the size of FEG, and right here, we said when we find the area, we know that triangle ABC is going to be 1/9 the size of FEG. Because if you look at this, if you divide 108 by 12, or you do 12 over 108 and you simplify that, you're going to get 1/9. Or if you divide it right there, you know you'll get 1/9. So that would be the scale factor. And if you notice, the scale factor here is just the scale factor of the last one squared. So we know that 1/3 squared will give us 1/9, which shows that area is squared, so therefore the scale factor will be squared as well.